So this is a 2022 Rockwood Ultra Lite 2881S as in Sam.
Okay.
Basically, it's a lightweight fifth wheel, right?
Right.
So half-ton trucks, a lot of half-ton trucks can pull this.
Okay.
That's what it's designed for. Now, obviously, bigger trucks can pull it too, but
Right.
you know, it's a smaller. You know, it's only coming in at 33 feet.
Wow. Okay.
And only 87.58 in your weight.
I feel like it's about 10 feet shorter than the fifth wheelers we saw earlier.
Yeah,
Okay.
compared to most fifth wheels are going to be a lot bigger.
Gotcha.
While I've got the information right here, with today's sale price.
But let me stop you there. We're not doing the sales price only because, and this is for you to know, that those could go up soon, and if we play this later. So the reason we're not saying that, but I want to point out that we're not saying the prices they're just listed below, is because if you want the prices listed below, you should probably jump in today to lock in your price.
Oh yeah, because they keep going up so much.
Yeah.
Makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
Makes a lot of sense. Absolutely. Well, yeah. Let's go through some of the features on it then. Just to start out with, I've been here 18 years. I think Rockwood's one of the best built units on the market. A couple big things is they're going to use a vacuum bonded construction, 6-side aluminum frame construction. They use Goodyear tires. They've got tire pressure monitoring system, frameless windows. I mean, pretty much every bell and whistle you like, they're gonna have. Right. You've got a slam latch baggage doors with the magnets catches. Makes that easy.
Nice.
They do have the nicer steps. What's cool about these steps are that they are on a strut, so I can literally lift that up with one finger. Compared to a lot of them, they're so heavy you got to put them all the way up in there.
Right.
There's a strut built in, so you can just lift it up with one finger, basically.
Shot. Oh yeah, look at that.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. If I can do it, you can do it. I am a wuss. I have no upper body strength or bottom body strength.
Absolutely. It does feature power awning.
That fast.
That's a nice size awning on this particular model too. It can pretty much takes up your whole side. It is powered. Does have the LED light strip underneath as well. All Rockwoods will come with a griddle that will slide on here, as well as a little table, prep table.
Yep.
They all come standard with that. You got your plug-ins. They do come with a hot and cold spigot with a quick connect water hose.
That's good.
So if you want to do cleanup, makes it a lot easier and stuff.
Right.
This particular one does have the auto leveling. Auto leveling is an option on Rockwoods.
Okay.
It's not just a standard. So some people may want auto leveling, some people may not want auto leveling. So it is an option.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, if you're ready, let's hit the inside and check it all out.
We got somebody asking. Is that right, Tim? Angela's asking about the width of the door.
With the door, it's probably 30 inches.
Okay.
I'd actually have to grab a tape measure to know for sure.
Okay.
But I'm pretty sure it's going to be right around that 30-inch mark.
Hey, Bob, do you know? Tim said to ask Bob. He's running away. Oh, he went away.
Probably got to grab a tape measure.
Grab a tape measure. If he comes back, we'll measure it for you, Angela.
Sounds good. Yeah, let's go inside.
Good night. Just completely open.
Well, yeah, for only a 33-foot trailer, I mean, look how wide open you are.
Wow.
And you've got solid surface countertops. They've got a couple options as far as furniture color goes and cabinet color. So this is going to be like your Newport Ash, which is going to be a lighter color. I believe this is the chocolate, which is a little bit darker furniture. They do make a stone that's going to be a little bit lighter, and then they will also make a light or a little bit darker wood color for this as well.
Gotcha.
Exterior also has an option to go with a white exterior versus the beige that we've seen.
There it is, Bob, with the 30
inches.
30 inches. There you go, Angela. It is 30 inches.
Well, what's cool about this layout is, you've got, this is a hide-a-bed, so that goes to a double bed. So you can sleep two here, or obviously sit two.
Right.
Sit down on that theater seating.
Okay, but I'm telling you, I might not get back up.
Look how nice that is.
Yeah.
Right, so that's lumbar for your back. Inside the cushions, there'll be a little pull handle.
I was thinking it was the...
See that? Pull that up. Pull that up. Pull that straight up. There you go.
Yeah.
And then the button is for lumbar in your back.
Yeah. It's giving me some support right back here.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, those are nice chairs.
Yeah, so that comes standard on this model, the theater seating.
Is this attached?
It's not attached. No,
So
it
I
can
can
be
get it out
moved.
of here and put it in the back of my SUV?
There you go.
All right. That might happen.
Notice how they don't have carpet. It's more like a vinyl type of material in their slide out now. Okay. So don't have to worry about wearing out over time, you know, absorb moisture and everything.
Right.
It does have the freestanding dinette. You're going to have
extension. I feel that.
Yeah, that does extend out. It just is latched underneath.
Okay.
And then this particular one has the roller shades in their day and night. So it's an option to get day or night, or you can just get the straight night, which will come standard.
Okay.
It does have a residential fridge. 190 watt solar panel is standard on the roof when going with this refrigerator. Okay. Right, and that which is standard. And then look at all your counter space.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
You know what I mean? You got your whole area, undermount stainless steel sink, residential pull down sprayer, oven. You notice how big the oven is too?
Yeah, it's a good size.
You know,
oven.
that's like a 22-inch versus 17. Right. 3-burner cooktop, backlighting on your knobs here, and then you've got your TV and your sound bar. What's cool about this is this will pull off. And then look at that. Look at all that storage behind there.
Back there, yeah.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
That's nice. Big old sound bar up there too.
Yep.
Great. Let's open this just to take a look at the
the big large pantry.
Oh my gosh, it's a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be.
So you can get washer and dryer back here too.
Yeah.
Right. So take out these will come out. Okay. And then see how it says dryer vent location. So you can do a stackable washer and dryer, and it's already got the knobs down below there too for hot and cold.
Look at that.
So if you want to wash and dryer versus a bigger pantry, you've got that utilization there. The fireplaces are cool in here too. Did you notice that down below?
I did, because I wanted to stand by it. Feels good.
Does give off pretty good heat.
Yeah, feels good. Let's jump up here into we'll hit the bathroom on our way up. Oh, we might as well hit the bathroom because it's got the 2 doors.
Double entry, right?
Yep.
So as you come in, you're going to have a nice radius glass shower. Porcelain toilet that's foot flush. I like the wall border they put in here too. Just offsets it really nice. Does have the nicer 10-blade fantastic fan. Stainless steel sink. And then also got your nicer medicine cabinet up top.
Nice.
Yeah, let's slide over right over into the bedroom here.
Looks like you got plenty of storage again above the bed. Like in most, but again.
So not only do you have storage above and on the sides, and then you've got your plugins, but look at all this storage right behind you.
I didn't even see it. I walked right past it.
This is a slide out.
Wow.
Right, and it slides out, and then all this is storage, and you've got your drawers. They use all nice ball bearing drawer glides on everything too. So you got both sides that you can access on both sides there, all the way through.
Nice.
It's pretty slick, isn't it?
The slide goes through and into the bathroom. So you got a door here. The door here slides to close off the bathroom.
Yeah, and it's an actual hard door.
Yeah.
They use all block foam insulation. So if you push up on the ceiling, notice how strong and sturdy that is. Most of them you can push and it'll give.
Okay.
That's a cheaper way of building the unit. It's not as strong.
Right.
When them doing block foam vacuum bonded, that's what makes that so much sturdier. And then that's all block foam in there versus a bad insulation. So with AC ducts that run through, if you've got bad insulations over time, that moisture from your AC is going to come off and get into your bat. With block foam, it can never absorb moisture.
Okay.
Okay. Just a couple of things on how they're built.
Nice.
Yeah, I mean, that pretty much finishes it up. We'll go back down.
We'll head out this way. Come with us. All right. Yeah, I love it. Again, this is very roomy. Lots of space here. That fireplace feels fantastic every time I walk by it.
I like the ceiling fan they put in here too.
Yeah.
A lot of people don't realize that, and then they also have the option of the other fantastic fans. So you've got 2 fantastic fans, and a lot of people don't realize a fantastic fan is really nice because most of them have like a fan the size of a CD. Well, when it's a nicer day out, you can just pull air through this whole coach. You don't have to run your air all the time.
Okay. So you keep saying fantastic fan. I think you said it earlier, and I just assumed you were saying it was a good fan. Is Fantastic Fan, is that the name brand? Fantastic Fan?
Yeah, name brand. And then it's got a built-in vent cover over top of it. So if it rains out, you don't have to worry about if you closed your vent or not.
Gotcha.
It keeps all the water out.
Perfect.